Hello. This is Serge from VisualCron, and in this video I'm going to talk about configuring the load balancer feature in general. But first, what is a load balancer and why you might need it? On the screen, you can see several VisualCron servers to which the client is currently connected: Agent A, Agent B, and C. On one of these servers, Agent B, the so-called broker component is activated. On the right you can see the role of load balancer, LB, which means broker is activated. And the broker component is the central part of the load balancer. It is responsible for all communication between servers connected to the broker. We can see the list of previously configured and connected servers in the main menu, on the Servers tab, by pressing the Agents button. Here, you can see that the server on which the broker itself is running, Agent B, can be connected to the broker as well. And on this form, you can visually observe the first main function of the broker component: automatic detection of which of the connected servers should be turned on, green status icon here, and work as a scheduler. In other words, on which of the server's job triggers should be activated. The status of the rest of agents is off. That is, they are essentially spare. So, if communication with the current server with the scheduler role is somehow interrupted, for example, the remote host is down, assuming that this is not the host where the broker itself is running, or the state of this server becomes worse, say more than 95% of the memory is occupied, then after a certain timeout, the broker will select another VisualCron server to work as a scheduler, instead of the current one, thereby ensuring that all triggers and jobs continue to work. As an example, I will now completely stop the server named Agent C. As you can see, Agent B was automatically turned on by the broker. I can also turn off the server by pressing the button directly on the form. And the broker automatically turned on Agent A. But let's dive deeper and see how to configure this behavior. The Settings form is opened by clicking the Load Balancer button on the Servers tab. And this is how it looks like on the first run. On one of VisualCron servers at your disposal, you can enable the broker. And also set the option to have the broker manage the status of connected servers so that at any given time one and only one server is on and acting as a scheduler. You can also enable an additional option to automatically switch the server with the scheduler role, if health or any other statistics of the current scheduler gets worse. And then, on the Scheduler Switch Condition tab, set up one or more conditions. In this example we can see that the broker will automatically choose another server as the scheduler, if the health of the current scheduler is bad or very bad at least for 5 minutes. Let's go back to Settings. On other VisualCron servers, in the same settings form, instead of Broker Server, you should turn on the Server Agent option. Then select an existing or create a new connection to the server with the broker activated. Connection to create must be of type VisualCron. And finally, enable the option that will allow the broker to manage the status of this server. It should be noted that with this scheduler switching mechanism implemented in the broker, one would expect all involved servers to contain identical job settings, connections, and so on. To achieve this, you can activate synchronization on each of the remote servers connected to the broker. For this, on the same Servers tab in the menu, open the synchronization form. Press Add. Activate. I would recommend choosing the broker server connection as the master server, or the source of settings. Connect. Then optionally specify which objects to synchronize. And finally, save settings. Well, in this video, you have seen how to set up the broker to manage the status of connected servers. In the following videos, I'll cover the 2 remaining features of the load balancer: flows with conditions and actions, and distributed job execution. Bye for now, and see you later.